and it's referencing from millions of other number 30 restorations that were made in the lab to create a proposal. Average design time on a single posterior restoration should be no more than 5 minutes. Once you get the scan, we're going to go to our design. The Medit fast scan is fully integrated into, this is our fast design software. First step of design, the software does pre-place the margin. This is exactly what you'll see once you open the case. A little bit of refinement. It actually set most of this correctly. I just pick a point and work my way around, clockwise or counterclockwise, whatever makes the most sense to you. Here on the mesial buccal needs the most adjustment. We click and hold and drag it into position. The next step of margin is to position the occlusal in the buccal. This is the software's compass. This tells the software how to position and generate the design. The design is generated through AI. Once we hit design on the bottom, now the software from the margin will evaluate the space it has, mesial to distal, evaluate the space to the occlusal, and it's referencing from millions of other number 30 restorations that were made in the lab to create a proposal. And the proposal is done to hopefully idealize the situation. A restoration that has perfect contacts, perfect occlusion. Now I activate the opposing. Right-hand side of the screen are our different visual aids, evaluating the Cusp-to-Fossa relationship. Do the buccal cusp fall in the central fossa of the opposing? If not, we can always move that around. So for our BruxZir crowns in our practice, we like 0 on our proximal surfaces and -350 on the occlusion. Average design time on a single posterior restoration should be no more than 5 minutes. This is a tool called Freeform. Any aspect of the design that you want to change, you can just simply grab it and move it. Here, I'm just shaping that mesial buccal cusp a little bit more, just to make it, to me, a little more anatomically pleasing.